Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay loves, so jumping straight into this video, this unit was sent to me courtesy of Vanessa Hair Fashion. They were kind enough to send me this unit a little while ago. And at the time that they sent me this unit had not even been released yet. And so at this point in time, I'm not sure if the unit has released, but I decided to go ahead and just film this video. One, because I decided on this customized color that you see right here, which is essentially, it looks like just two different blues, but it's an array of blues. So let me first give you guys the deets of this unit, and then I'll get into, you know, my discussion about it. So this is the stock card of the unit. If you guys stay tuned, there will be not an unboxing because this unit was so new that it didn't have a box to it. They sent a plain box. It didn't have its own box yet, but it does say that this unit is in the style TMDN TWOSY. Now, my constructive criticism with Vanessa Hair Fashion is their names are always so difficult. But let me tell you guys, TMDN stands for tops, middle, day, and night. So I guess one is supposed to be daytime, and then this is supposed to be the night side. And I have it in the color TS Ocean. And so they showed me quite a different colors that they have, but I felt like this was the one that I could kind of, you know, pull off. The one that the model is rocking, I just was not feeling it, so I decided not to go with that one. But I felt like this one was, you know, okay, you know, I could deal with blue and ocean. Now the crazy part about it is this was prior to rapper Nipsey Hussle actually getting killed, and when I pulled it out, I don't know why, but it kind of made me think about him. I don't know if it was because of all of the blue, and you know now they're calling certain blues Nipsey Hussle blue, and this unit just has so many different blues in it. Like, I can't even really count how many different blues are in this unit, but it's quite a few, more so on this side. So I would say it's at least 3 or 4 blues, and then I kind of even see some purples in here. So yeah, that just kind of took me back a little bit, because if you guys know, your girl was, you know, bent out of shape after he was killed, like, you know, some of you guys probably. So if you guys didn't know, I'm actually from California. I live in California, born and raised in LA. I've actually walked the same streets that he has, you know, helped the city out. I'm not quite from Crenshaw and Slauson, but I grew up on Crenshaw and Jefferson at one point in time. So honestly, where his killing wasn't too far from, you know, just where I've walked, been there numerous of times, drove by numerous of times. And I think that it was just a real big blow to our city. It was like a major loss. And you guys, if you guys seen his celebration of life, they truly celebrated him like the king, the leader, the community builder that he was. Like, he was just so many things, the visionary. Like, he just did so many things for the city. And so I'm glad that, you know, the city celebrated him in the way that they did. And your girl and my husband actually went to his store, the Marathon store. So we were able to see the visual and, you know, the murals, and just, you know, just feel the energy of the city. And I can honestly tell you, it was a mixture of, you know, pride, it was sadness, it was some resiliency. Like, although a lot of us are sad, we see now like what we need to do, what we could do better in our own communities. And so, not to make this a whole Nipsey Hussle video, but once I put this unit on, it just kind of reminded me of, you know, the last couple of weeks that everyone has been dealing with the world. If you're on social media, every other post probably is a Nipsey Hussle post. So I don't know, I just kind of wanted to pay homage to him with this unit. Not that this unit is going to pay homage to him, but to talk about him. And if you guys feel like you guys want to talk about what he meant to you guys, your city, you know, or what his death meant to you, you know, definitely feel free to comment down below in the comment section. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts and, you know, opinions. But yeah, so this video should be a very quick wig review. It's not much that I can say about this unit. The only difference is the color. Other than that, it's just a straight unit that has a middle part. As you guys can see, I did put some mineralized skin finish in the parting section. It is a bit shiny for my liking. Now you guys know, you guys can use like what is it, dry shampoo to dull down the shininess. But I'm actually in the process of filming a couple of videos, so I was like, I'm not going to go through all of that. But yeah, so if you guys decided to go with this unit, then that is an option for you guys. Other than that, this unit is very easy to comb through. I didn't experience any tangles. As you guys can see, I can run my hands through it. That's probably because it's just a very silky, shiny texture. to where, you know, I could just keep running my hands through it. And look, you guys see I haven't got caught not once. So yeah, hopefully you guys got a good, you know, look at this unit and the different color, at least the color that I have, this ocean color. You guys let me know what you guys think about it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.